what they try to do is get him to stall it.
Let's see about this. Now he's got his ball. Body slammed him.
Yeah, but he can handle it. Where did the branch come from?
Oh, I dragged it into the gutter.
Oh, yeah, we're not taking that in the house. All that activity has to be outside. That's our outside voice. Meat hat, there you go. Oh shit! Excuse my language.
I got whiplash that way.
I thought, oh man, I thought I was a goner.
Yeah.
More tennis
Look how
balls.
tired.
Huh?
Tired. All of them. Luna, she just wants that ball. That's good that he was going to give you the ball. I was telling Yvonne that they play on the trampoline.
No.
He does no drop, but he may not do it with her there. There we go.
Okay, but don't keep throwing that ball. We'll wait.
There's too many women telling me what to do.
What?
Come here, Sarge.
Let's not,
I can't tell
yeah,
you.
let's not overstimulate them since they just had a tussle. Let's let them do their thing.
Come here, Mama. Are you so tired? Ginger. Okay, she's done.
She's like, you youngins. What do you think, Luna? Luna, what do you think?
I think I need a nap.
What do you think, Meat? Ha ha ha, you're happy.